Hey everyone! Did you want to make another Minecraft figure? I bet you did. This is the last one I have to show you for now. It is the Wither. This one is actually very simple, but he's really cool looking, so let's get ready. You're going to start out with 3 1-inch thick squares. That's what I did anyway. The middle square has to be bigger than the other two. The other two on the ends are the same size, but make sure that middle one is bigger. This is important. And all I'm doing for structural stability is attaching them, threading them onto a lollipop stick, like a kebab basically. The bottom of the heads have to be all aligned with each other, but the top, make sure, sticks out. You can see I added a piece of rectangle to the bottom of the heads. It extends out halfway from the center to the other 2 squares, so make sure you don't go too far with it. And I'm just threading a piece of thin black on a lollipop stick that's going to become the body into the center head. This right here is the gray, it's maybe a 1/4 inch thick, I don't know. Wing it, make it look good. And you put 2 marks on each side to make the wings or whatever the structure is on the side of the body here. I attach them with a little bit of water, and as you can see, because the way it's raised, the body was tipping and the wing things were falling, so I've supported it with a piece of paper towel so everything's level. To make the faces on here, you just add 3 stripes of gray gum paste real thin. The center is larger than the other 2, and the 1 stripe down the center. And at the bottom, I'm just putting a pressure mark because he has a little tail that comes out the back. If you're doing this in person yourself, you can add that as your own separate piece. I didn't because I have to ship it. So I hope you liked this nice, easy, cool looking Wither. Please like and subscribe and follow me on my other adventures. Thanks!